Hello all, welcome to my channel Allset Ready CP. So today we are going to see about changing the tire for Duke 200. So it's nothing but the bike which is standing in front of you. For this we are going to change the rear tire. Before that, let me show you the front tire first. If you see, the thread pattern looks actually good, right? So if you look deeper, there is cuts at the center and also everywhere in the tire. But the good thing is there is no sidewall crack happened till now. So considering that we are not going to change the front tire as of now, and the size given for this is 110 70 R17. It's a radial tire, just to show the specifications, and also when to change, how to change, and which tire to choose, which size to choose. For that I have posted a separate video which I have pasted the link in the description. You can have a look over it. So the model is revz C1. Okay, so now let's look into the rear tire. That's the one that we are going to change right now. If you look from longer, it's right, so the tire actually looks good, right? So the thread is good, everything is good, but actually because of aging, multiple cracks have developed in the tire. Before that, let me show you the specifications. It's 150 60 R17. As mentioned, R stands for radial, so it's a revz C1 model which came along with the bike as a stock. Now let's look into the cracks that has developed. If you see the sidewall, right, it has been cracked. It has got a big crack, a big hole, and also there are numerous puncture happen in this tire. I will show you while I change the tire. And also if you see at the top, right, even there you can see the cracks everywhere, here and there. If you see everywhere, cracks, punctures, everything has happened in the WC1. Since we are going to change the tire, let's do some burnout and finish off the tire's life. And finally our bike is ready for a tire change. So we came to the tire shop. Bike has been made to stand in the paddock stand, and he is the guy who is going to help us on this whole process. So he is removing the tires nut first. So next he has to remove this chain sprocket, chain and chain sprocket. Next there will be some 8 bushes inside that, so those he is removing, followed by the disc caliper. I will show this while it fits from that side. So the tire has been removed from the bike. Now he is going to remove the tire from the alloys, and here everything is completely automated, so everything will be handled with the help of machines. One good thing while going with the machines is there will be no damage happen to the alloys because everything is machine handled. So if you see, it presses the complete tire, and now he keeps this in the another part where it removes, I mean separates the tire from the rim, and even this is completely machine automated. So these bikes alloys, right, this will be very sensitive because already it will be lightweight since it's made for sports bike. So if we do hammering or something to remove the tire, it obviously damages the alloy. So it's better to get changed from always from a reputed tire shop where they have all these sort of machines. Yeah, so the tire has been separated from the rim right now. Also the valve tube that would be present there, right, even that has been removed. Ensure that you replace during the tire change. So now if you have a closer look, you can see the punctures. So each and everything is nothing but the normal puncture that has happened and which has been fixed. There are around 8 to 9 punctures that has happened in this MRF revz C1. So I don't want revz again. And finally here arrived our new tire. It's nothing but ceat Zoom Rad X1 model. The same 150/60 R17. I haven't upsized to anything because already it's 150 segment section tire, right? I don't want to upsize. I actually preferred this model mainly because of its thread pattern and its structure, how it has been designed. So now it's time to fix the tire in the rim. So it's nothing but the same reverse process. Even this will be handled through the machine only. So as mentioned, there will be no damages happen to the alloy. It actually makes the job simple to them also and safer for us also. That's how the machine works. And finally we have to fix this tire back in the bike. So before that I said that 8 bushes, right? So he's placing those bushes in the wheel, followed by the chain sprocket. So this is the sprocket, he fixes it over there. And the next thing to take care is the disc caliper that he has removed. So all these things has to be done carefully with the well-known profession at the tire shop. Because any miss is a miss. And now have to place the tire in its position, put that long rod and also put the chain and tighten it up. That's it. So with this the whole process has got completed. And finally our bike is back to home with a new set of new tire. And this is how the thread pattern looks like. It's actually bold and good. And also the tire is not so hard or so soft compound, but maximum composition of soft compound, so it will have a good grip while doing cornerings. And the model is CH Zoom Rad X1 as I mentioned, and the size is the same 150/60 R17, where R stands for radial. As I mentioned, it's a radial composition. I can even show you that. Here it is. Actually, the ride quality has improved a lot even in the first ride itself. The manufacturing rate is 45/22. So since the bike tires won't move much in the shop, right? So it's good to have something around 6 months. That's fine. And this is all I want to share actually. So the tire pattern, right? It's actually U-shaped. So the center contact patch is only this much. So this much has the center contact, and the rest of things are mainly for cornering. The bike really corners well after changing this tire and also boasts more confidence because revz used to spin a lot. There will be more wheel spin when I travel through mud, but with this tire I can see that it has significantly reduced. Maybe it may be even because of the new tires, but let's see how it goes. So with this I'll close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.